Did you know your daily shower could increase your risk of stroke? It might sound surprising, but it's true, especially as we get older. Sudden temperature changes during bathing can put significant stress on your cardiovascular system, and this risk becomes even greater during colder months. Think about stepping into a hot shower on a chilly morning. It feels comforting, but your body experiences a rapid shift in temperature. This sudden change can cause your blood vessels to expand or contract quickly, placing extra strain on your heart and circulation. For seniors whose cardiovascular systems may already be more sensitive, this can sometimes lead to serious health issues, including stroke. But don't worry, this video will guide you through common shower mistakes seniors often make and show you exactly how to avoid them. You'll discover simple yet crucial steps you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. These practical tips will help you safely enjoy your showers while significantly reducing your stroke risk. By watching this video, you'll gain the knowledge and confidence to protect your health and maintain your independence. Showering should be relaxing and safe, not stressful or risky. Together, we'll make sure it stays that way. If you find this information valuable, please like, subscribe, and share your own experiences in the comments below. Your insights could help others stay safe and healthy too. When you're getting ready for your shower, one of the most important things to keep in mind is the temperature. Sudden temperature changes can put unnecessary stress on your cardiovascular system, increasing your risk of stroke. That's why it's essential to make temperature adjustments gradually. Think about it. Have you ever stepped into a cold bathroom and immediately turned on hot water? Or maybe you've started your shower by washing your hair first, causing rapid temperature shifts around your head and neck. Even using water that's too hot or too cold can shock your body, causing your blood vessels to suddenly constrict. This rapid change can lead to dizziness, fainting, or even more serious health issues. To avoid these risks, it's best to prepare your bathroom ahead of time. Try preheating your bathroom to around 25 degrees Celsius. That's comfortably warm, not too hot or cold. This simple step helps your body adjust smoothly when you enter the shower. Once you're in the shower, start by gently washing your face and body first, rather than immediately wetting your hair. This approach allows your body to gradually adapt to the water temperature, reducing the chance of sudden shocks to your system. Speaking of water temperature, aim to keep it between 38 and 40 degrees Celsius. This range is warm enough to feel comfortable, but not so hot that it stresses your heart or blood vessels. If you need to adjust the temperature, do it slowly and gradually. Sudden changes, even small ones, can be stressful for your cardiovascular system. I remember a friend of mine who once felt dizzy during a shower because the water was too hot, too quickly. Thankfully, she was okay, but it was a good reminder for her, and for all of us, to be careful about sudden temperature changes. Have you ever experienced dizziness during a shower? I'd love to hear your story. Please share it in the comments below. Remember, taking these simple precautions can make your shower safer and more enjoyable every day. Did you know that the timing of your shower can actually affect your health? It's true. When you choose to shower matters, especially as we get older. Let's talk about some common timing mistakes that many people make and how you can easily avoid them. First, showering immediately after a heavy meal isn't the best idea. After eating, your body naturally directs more blood flow toward your stomach to help digest food. If you jump into a hot shower right away, the heat can cause your blood vessels to widen, pulling blood away from your digestive system and even your brain. This sudden shift can lower your blood pressure, making you feel dizzy or faint and increasing your risk of a stroke. To stay safe, wait at least 30 minutes after eating before stepping into the shower. Another common mistake is bathing right after exercise. After physical activity, your heart rate is elevated and your blood vessels are already expanded. Taking a hot shower immediately afterward can further widen your blood vessels, causing your blood pressure to drop suddenly. This can lead to dizziness, fainting, or even more serious health issues. Again, the solution is simple. Give yourself at least half an hour to cool down and let your body return to its normal state before showering. And here's one more important tip. Avoid showering right after drinking alcohol. Alcohol naturally dilates your blood vessels and lowers your blood pressure. When combined with the heat from a shower, this effect is intensified, significantly increasing your risk of fainting or falling. To protect yourself, it's best to avoid alcohol altogether before bathing, or at least wait until its effects have worn off. The reason behind these recommendations is straightforward. Proper timing ensures stable blood flow and prevents sudden drops in blood pressure. By simply waiting 30 minutes after meals or exercise and avoiding alcohol before showering, you're taking important steps to protect your health and reduce your risk of stroke. Do you have a preferred time for showering? Let us know your routine in the comments. Embracing a mindful morning routine can truly make a difference in your health, especially when it comes to reducing your risk of stroke. Starting your day thoughtfully helps stabilize your blood pressure and support your overall cardiovascular health. One simple yet powerful habit you can adopt is gentle stretching before you step into the shower. Stretching helps improve your circulation, loosens stiff muscles, and prepares your body gently for the day ahead. You don't need complicated exercises, just a few easy movements like slowly reaching your arms overhead, gently turning your neck side to side, or carefully bending forward to touch your knees. These small actions can significantly reduce stiffness and ease cardiovascular stress. Another important practice is drinking a glass of water as soon as you wake up. After a night's sleep, your body naturally becomes dehydrated, and dehydration can lead to dizziness or even fainting, especially when combined with the warmth of a shower. By hydrating first thing in the morning, you help maintain steady blood pressure and reduce the risk of dizziness or falls. Keep a glass or bottle of water by your bedside as a reminder, making it easy to hydrate right away. Taking a few deep breaths before showering is also beneficial. Slow, deep breathing calms your nervous system, stabilizes your heart rate, and gently lowers your blood pressure. Try inhaling slowly through your nose, holding for a moment, and then exhaling gently through your mouth. Repeat this a few times to feel relaxed and ready for your shower. I understand it can sometimes feel challenging to add new habits to your morning routine, especially if you're used to jumping straight into your day. But remember, skipping hydration or ignoring gentle stretches can increase stiffness and put unnecessary stress on your heart. The key is consistency. Start small, and soon these mindful practices will become second nature. Personally, I've found that taking just 5 extra minutes each morning for stretching and hydration has made a noticeable difference in how I feel throughout the day. What mindful practices do you include in your morning routine? Share your tips below. Taking care of yourself isn't just about physical health. It's about independence, dignity, and enjoying life on your terms. Think about Thomas, who learned to slow down and prepare carefully before showering, reducing his risk of stroke and staying independent longer. Or Elena, who realized that prioritizing her own well-being allowed her to remain active and involved with her grandchildren. Their stories remind us that self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. You might face challenges like feeling rushed or forgetting important steps, but creating simple routines can help you overcome these hurdles. Have you learned valuable lessons from others about self-care? Share your insights in the comments. We'd love to hear your experiences. We've discussed the importance of gradually adjusting your shower temperature, choosing the right timing for your showers, and creating mindful morning routines. All simple yet powerful ways to lower your risk of stroke. Remember, sudden temperature changes can put unnecessary stress on your heart and blood vessels, so always ease into your shower temperature slowly. Taking your shower later in the morning after your body has had time to adjust can also make a big difference in protecting your health. I understand that changing daily habits can sometimes feel challenging, especially when you've been doing things a certain way for years. But small adjustments can lead to significant health benefits. If you find it difficult to remember these new routines, try placing a gentle reminder note near your bathroom mirror or shower door. You could even set a friendly alarm on your phone or clock to help you stay on track. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your experiences. Share this video with loved ones to keep them safe. Your stories and insights can inspire others to make positive changes too. Stay safe, Stay healthy, and remember, your well-being is worth every mindful step you take. See you in the next video.